Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. Today we are making a recipe for all those who love sweet and spicy, and it's the famous Texas BBQ sauce, but in a vegan way. Also, our next video will be a meatless loaf recipe for the upcoming Thanksgiving, and this sauce is going to be of great need for this. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel if you still have no idea what to make for this occasion. And now, let's get started. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to check out the upcoming video for our meatloaf recipe. If you like the content, give us those thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to support us. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know down in the comments below, and see you next time guys. May the plants be with you. Cheers!